Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is about the Glasgow Subway. The Glasgow Subway opened on the 14th of December 1896. Glasgow Subway is the third oldest subway in the world. Did you know that? Well, it's the third oldest after London and Budapest. Glasgow Subway only goes in two directions, an inner and an outer. There was talks and plans of having the underground extended all the way up to the West End. So far, nothing's ever happened about that. Still in talks, but personally, I don't think it will happen. But if it happens, it happens. Today you're going to see a video that was recorded by myself on a weekend, on a Sunday, so the train's not that busy, and you're going to see the journey of the train coming into the station, me going onto the train, and on the journey on the train. But more when you see the video a little bit later on. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the names of the Glasgow Subway. Glasgow District Subway in 1896 was called Glasgow District Subway, as I just said there. It was also called the Glasgow Subway Railway. It still went in a loop back then, but it was pulled by cables and big machines that went around like that, wheel to wheel to move your car. Nowadays they just press buttons, sit in a cart, trolley, sit in a thing and just press buttons. A bit more high tech nowadays than what it was years ago. In 1936, it was renamed from Glasgow District Subway and Glasgow Subway Railway to just Glasgow Underground. And people kept calling it Glasgow Subway so much that in 2003, not that long ago, SBT, the people who now own the subway network, Strathclyde Passenger for Transport, renamed it Glasgow Subway, SBT Subway Glasgow, because so many people say Clockwork Orange or Glasgow, oh, I'm going on the subway, and you know exactly what they're talking about. Subway still goes in an outer way, a loop all around the city, of an average of about 6 minutes in the morning, 5 to 6 minutes in the morning, and averaging about 8 or 9 minutes at night. Subway opens until about 10 o'clock each night, but on a Sunday it only opens till about 6 o'clock at night due to maintenance work that has to be happened. Well, we've heard the first part about the Glasgow Subway. Watch this video now that's going to come on the screen magically, and that's my journey on the Glasgow Subway. Enjoy, and I'll see you again after this video. Enjoy the video. myself on my phone about the Glasgow Subway. Well, if you want to learn more about the Glasgow Subway, why don't you visit the Riverside Museum in Glasgow, down at Point House Quay in Partick, where you'll be able to learn more facts about the Glasgow Subway, or even check out Wikipedia. In the Glasgow Riverside Museum, you'll see a video which I'm in. I'm only in it for like 5 or 6 minutes, but I'm in it anyway. It's called Subway War and is in one of the 1930 subway cars. It's a movie that lasts 30 minutes, one whole journey of the Glasgow Subway from point A back to point A. You don't think the movie stops because it doesn't have credits at the end, but you can join the movie at any point and watch it for any point. It's a lovely movie, and it's one that I recommend you go to watch. It's only available to watch at Riverside Museum, so why not go and watch about it? Watch it and find out more facts about the Glasgow Subway. You've seen my first video today, all about the Glasgow Subway. Join me again next time when I'll be doing another video about something else. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Check out my other videos on YouTube that I will publish every so often, and thank you for watching.